Hello everyone, it's Mandy. How are you guys doing today? It's Friday. Friday just feels so free, doesn't it? Anytime you say it's Friday. So let's get started on our project. We're gonna redo our little lemon one here. We're actually just gonna reuse our base and our ribbon. So we're just gonna make Love Makes Our House a Home, our little house pattern cutouts. They come with different little patterns and then come with some different wording, and we're going to use the Love Makes House a Home and the little stripes up here. So I just thought it would be fun to do a real quick project. First, to kind of show you guys how this works. You kind of hear that it's repurposable, removable, but what does that mean? So honestly guys, our paste goes on hard but dries wet. So once it's on there, you can touch it, you can dust it, you can even get it wet. Just don't touch it. Once you touch it and move it, see, it takes just a little bit to get it going. But once you see, even then you can still just let it dry, and it would go back to you would have a little bit of a smudge, but you would still be able to read it. So just keep that in mind. We also have like a little scraper that kind of helps you get all that chalk off and ready for your next project. So our whole base for the company is basically to repurpose, guys. We are the king of repurposing, or the queens, well, I should say queens of repurposing. Thanks guys for joining. But for to repurpose your home decor, we have it all. So let's get this off, and then I'll kind of wipe it up with a disinfectant wipe, which I use the Lysol, but you can use whatever brand you have if you can find them right now. If not, guys, just wipe it up with some water. Don't worry about doing the disinfectant wipe. I think the disinfectant wipe just kind of helps it get just a little bit cleaner. But okay, well, we're gonna let that dry and get started on the rest of our project here. So how's your Friday going? How's your weekend looking? Are you gonna do some fun plans? I'm gonna be chilling, just another chill weekend. The weather has been so nice. How about you guys? You guys having good weather? We're gonna do maybe some, I think I'm getting some notifications. Yellow, and then we're gonna put the white on top. So I think I've been having some like network issues. So guys, I think that if it's too bad, then the replay will be better, hopefully. So just put that in there. And then we're gonna get our paste here. And this is in one of our little single-use packets. And this would actually be the size that you would get, guys, if you joined our club. Each month you get like 3 paste singles. So it's a fun way to try all of our different colors. We have about 30 different colors. So many fun and fun colors, and then colors that you can actually match up with your already existing home decor, or maybe you want to go into something a little bit different home decor. But let's see if that's gonna work. But I thought this would be fun, a fun color, fun way to do this. And let me get some more out here. And when you guys are working with your paste packets, guys, kind of knead it before you get it on there, and then open it from the end where the color's not, so you can save it, and then you'll know what color it is later. So hopefully, let's get this on here. Get going. And then I'll show you how to get it up and get it going, guys, or save it for more for later. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this up. I'm kind of worried that my paste is gonna dry on me. So when you're working with the paste, it's fairly easy. The only thing you want to kind of keep in mind is that I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it up. That you don't let it dry, because if you let it dry, guys, when you pull it up, it's a silk screen, and so the there, I feel a little more comfortable. It's a silk screen, so if the paste dries, the screen will actually bring up your paste. So that is just one thing to keep in mind when working with it. Okay, I think I have enough everywhere now. I think my paste has just been a little thick. I should probably put some water in here. Or maybe it's humidity. It's been raining all morning, so I wonder if the humidity's kind of messing with my paste. So it usually doesn't take this much. I have the doors open, so sorry. There's my UPS man going by. Kind of loud. But it's such a pretty day, I couldn't, I just thought the doors needed to be open. Get some airflow in here. But yeah, all week, guys, it's been really pretty, and I mean, the temperatures for August in Arkansas, this low, is crazy, but we'll take it. I mean, we were dying. Okay, we are almost finished here. And then we'll let this dry, and then we'll do our make sure that comes up. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna put this back on here. And guys, that's all this paste is, I'll wash it off. I'll put the sticky side up, and then I'll let it dry, and then I'll put it back on the backer sheet with the sticky side and the shiny side together. And voila, we got this little guy. And I love patterns, guys, so anything that comes out with the patterns, I am all about it. So guys, I will take this and move the paste back down, and then I'll fold it over, and then I'll tape it, and I don't have any tape right here, and then I'll save it for my next project, and I'll even put it in a Ziploc bag just so I can save it. Hello, thanks for joining. Okay, so let's get this dry. And I'm gonna be using Love Makes a House at Home, and I'm just gonna do it in white. And hope. Get this off. Okay, now let me dry some more. So really cute, really fun, really quick and easy to change out your home decor. Okay, now let's do this. I'll put it this way so I can kind of see where the bottom is going to be. And then I'll turn it back around so hopefully you can see a little bit better. I'm just going to use our bright white Chalkology paste. I am going to put some water in there. It always comes a little bit more thicker, but you kind of want it to be like a yogurt-like consistency or sour cream. So if it's not, just put a little bit of water in it. If it's too runny, just kind of let the lid stay off for, half a day or so, and let it kind of dry up a little bit. So paste, anything chalk is so easy to work with, guys. It's fun. That's what makes it fun, right? So you don't have to worry about, making a mess and having to clean it up, because it's all like water soluble. So, and then the squeegee, basically, whatever excess you have, you just put back in your jar because it doesn't really take a whole lot of paste. So, but today's project's going to be super easy, super simple, super fast. And then always take off from like top to bottom, left to right, and that just kind of protects your transfers. So there we go. How cute is that? Okay, same thing. I'll take this to my sink, wash off the paste, let it dry, and then I'll put it back on a backer sheet because I can use it again, guys. And I'm just gonna put it back on our base that we had before. So, you know, if you get ready to change out stuff, if you like changing stuff out really fast, all the time, I mean, really that's kind of what our founder was about. She knew that we like to be able to change our decor up with this on the whim, with the season, with the styles. She came up with this idea, and honestly, she was doing craft shows and stuff and doing the chalkboards, but she wanted something that she could, you know, that wouldn't easily smudge, so she came up with our chalk paste. So it's kind of like a in between, I say, old school chalk and chalk paint. If it was old school chalk, of course it would smudge. If it was paint, it would be permanent, but paste is semi-permanent. So once this dries, again, I'll be able to wipe on it, dust it, all that good stuff. It's not gonna bother it. But guys, I will put the supplies that I use down in the comments for you guys to make your own at home. It ships straight to your door anywhere in US and Canada. And then if you want a DIY monthly club that you can do with your kiddos, with your family, friends, just type in club and I'll get you a link for that. And then if you want to do what I'm doing, either as a hobbyist or as a designer, guys, just type in join and I'll get you a link for that. So have a wonderful weekend, and if you guys have any comments, just put them down below or send me a direct message and I'll get back to you. So take care, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.